guys, oil. So let me put it here. So guys, in the comment section, let me know what are you going to cook for your what are you going to cook for breakfast in your village. So let me know. And if it's your first time to come across my video, make sure that you watch my videos till the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. So as you can see, I have my children here. So you can see the importance of having kids in the village. They are helping you when you want to do something. So kids that live in the village, kids that lives in the village, they are so hardworking. Unajua kata nyanya? Nika kuosha. Nikatoa. Hiyo kuku. Ndio hivyo. So as you can see, my boy here is helping me to cut tomatoes into small pieces. So guys, it's time to cook. So my babies, they're feeling hungry. You can see the way they are looking. So I want to cook. I want to cook for them so that they can eat. So you can see. So let me sit down. So this is my sufuria. Then I have my rice here, my tomatoes. My boy has cut it. He has cut it into small pieces. Then I have this liquid cooking oil. Then this is my banana. So I have chopped it into small pieces. Let me show you. Into small pieces. So now I want to cook. It's time to cook. So guys, so I have my onions here. So let me add here cooking oil. So I'm going to wait until my onions turn brown. Then I will add here my tomatoes. You can see it's not yet brown, so let me wait. So guys, you can see my onions are brown. So let me add there my tomatoes. So. So guys, I'm going to add salt to make it tasty. Also, guys, you can see, wow, so we can't wait to eat our lunch. You can see how it looks like now. So guys, you can see the way my boys, they are so hardworking. So here in the village, there's no specific job for specific gender. So anybody can do any work. Girls can go and feed the cows and boys can cook. So that's the good thing of staying in the village. Umefurahia? Iko karibu. So guys, I want to check my bananas if it's ready, then I will boil my rice. Wow. So guys, banana is ready. So let me boil my rice now. Pause. Pause. So guys, you can see our rice is ready. So let's go and eat our lunch. Zinatoka wote. So guys, you can see our food is ready. So this is rice, then this banana stew. So let's enjoy our food. Guys, this food is so delicious. So if you're coming from David, you can just try this procedure and then you will see the results there. Anytime.
Yes.
So guys, if you like this video, let me know. Drop a comment down there. Don't forget to watch my videos till the end. It's Ogalama. Let's say bye bye. Bye bye.